Oh, hell yeah. This is the Monteneggnog. What is the crack? Welcome to the channel. Happy holidays, everybody. This is the Christmas cocktail advent calendar. We have special guest today, and it's not any special guest. This is Coach Vino. If you don't know who Coach Vino is, you're living under a rock. Let me tell you, this man is an absolute gentleman. Whenever I first started on YouTube, Vino was one of the first creators who actually reached out to me. He was able to give me some good advice along the way, and he added me to a group chat along with some other YouTube cocktail creators. And yeah, the guy is an outstanding person. And you know what? The guy just is, he's not only a gentleman, he's just a really, really good human being. This time of year, Christmas and collaboration is what it is all about. So if you haven't checked his channel out already, head over there, give him a follow, give him a subscribe. He's doing some good stuff over there. He's one of the kings of Amaro on YouTube. So if you're into your Amaros, get watching his stuff, basically. Anyway, before I pass you on to him, we're on a little cocktail competition. It's free to enter. All you have to do is watch some videos, find some Easter eggs, and there's some good Christmas prizes there. You can win yourself some cocktail books, some cocktail shakers. Just get involved. It's Christmas. You want some Christmas presents? Enter. Anyway, I'll pass you along to Coach Vino.
What's up, guys and pals? It's your buddy Coach Vino. So when my pal Rusty reached out to me and said, "Hey Vino, how'd you like to be part of my Christmas collaboration?" I said yes immediately. I mean, look, nobody loves Christmas more than this guy right here. And being a big Amaro fan that I am, I knew immediately what cocktail I was gonna make. And that is my Monte Negnog. Now, the Monte Negnog is a cocktail that I created for my channel many moons ago. And while it's always been delicious, I have refined the cocktail over time. And I think it's at a very optimal state right now. So I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it, okay? So before I go ahead and make this cocktail for you guys though, let us look at what is in the sauce. So of course, we're gonna be using some Montenegro Amaro, okay? This is the namesake of the cocktail. And this is what's gonna give it a lot of really cool, unique flavor. Like, you know, some orange, vanilla, obviously some bitterness as well. So really great stuff. Now, if you don't have a Amaro Montenegro, you can use whatever you want. You got a Chianti, you got a Verna, Bing Bong Bing, use whatever you want, but just realize, you know, when it comes to Amari, the flavor profiles are all different, the ABVs are all different, so you might have to adjust it to get to the place where you really enjoy the cocktail, okay guys? And then, just to add a little more additional, you know, spice and flavor to this and make it a little more holiday-like, we're going to be using some Allspice Dram, okay? This is going to add some delicious allspice notes. Just a little extra spice never hurt nobody, you know what I'm saying? And then for our base spirit, we're going to be using some high proof rye, okay? I'm going to be using Grated House, but you could use whatever high proof rye you want, and that's also going to add a little bit of spicy notes as well. But also, you know, being high proof is going to, you know, help this from being a little too cloying, you know what I'm trying to say? And then for our fun little, you know, spice, a little what do you call it, salt and pepper, we're going to be using some black walnut bitters. I love this stuff. It is the perfect bitters for this type of cocktail, and it's going to give you obviously some nutty notes. You also need a little bit of maple on that. And speaking of maple, we're going to be using a little bit of maple syrup, okay? And this is just going to help to make sure that the eggnog's sweet and tastes like a you know, dessert cocktail, which is what eggnog is. But if you want to leave this out, hey, I'm not stopping you. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to use a whole egg because this is eggnog. You know what I'm saying? And then some heavy cream, which is going to be, you know, give everything nice, thick, viscous flavor, keep it fluffy. You know what I'm saying? And then we're going to garnish that with some fresh nutmeg, and that's going to smell so good on the nose, right, folks? So let's go ahead and make our Monte Negnog. All right, well, there you have it, folks. Coach Vino's Montenegnog. Let's go ahead and give it a sippy sip. Cheers. That is absolutely fantastic. I mean, first thing on the nose you're gonna get is those delicious aromatics from the nutmeg. You get some beautiful sweet notes from all of from the maple syrup and obviously the liqueurs and stuff that are being used in it. But then you get those amazing bitter and spicy notes from the combination of allspice and the rye and of course the Amaro. I mean, if you love Amaro and you love eggnog, I'm telling you guys, this is the one right here, right, folks? Anyway, listen, I want to wish you all a happy holidays, a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and everything else. Festivus for the rest of us, whatever you call it, Happy Hanukkah. Just wishing you all a very merry, happy. And remember, folks, when life gives you lemons, you make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.
Mate, I am very excited to try this one. I mean, you know I love Amaro Montenegro. That little bit of allspice in there. Oh, maple syrup, walnut bitters, rye. It's all like all my favorite things in an eggnog. Let's get trying. Damn, that is fine, mate. That is good eggnog. What? That's mad. That Amaro combining with the rye in this gives it almost like a sort of dark chocolate milkshake kind of vibe going on. Then you've got the nutmeg on top. Really creamy, delicious. Mate, this is top tier eggnog. Top tier. Everybody get making this. Do you know what? I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Let's go. Let's go. It's good. It's good. It's fucking crushable.